Opposition in Lok Sabha. Rahul Gandhi is on a two-day visit to his constituency Rai Bareilly, where the Congress leader has a series of engagements, including meeting with top state party functionaries and addressing a rally in protest against the G Ramji bill. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party is using this opportunity to set the party's narrative in the state as they begin to prepare for the mega 2027 election in Uttar Pradesh, where the party would be looking to make a mark following dismal performances by the opposition in the last two elections. Interestingly, a poster has now emerged in Rai Bareilly for his visit, displaying both Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav donning the Team India jersey. Caption on the poster reads, India's captains for 2027 and 2029, indicating that Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav will be the ones to watch out for in the upcoming 2027 UP Assembly polls and the 2029 Lok Sabha elections. While one wonders whether the Congress party has the kind of influence in the state as compared to their ally, the Samajwadi Party, this muscle flexing is not new for the Congress. Even in states like Bihar and Tamil Nadu, where the party has remained the smaller ally for a while now, the Congress party has tried to project Rahul as larger than life. In Bihar, he was branded the Jananayak. In Tamil Nadu, he became Talaiva. This time, the party is trying to project him as the captain in Uttar Pradesh. But can he lead his team to victory in 2027?
राहुल गांधी कल लखनऊ आए, उस परंपरा को कायम रखा उन्होंने, जिसके द्वारा गांधी परिवार जाना जाता है कि सांसद के रूप में वो चाहे जिस पद पे रहे अपने दायित्व का निर्वहन करते हैं। राजीव जी के साथ में बहुत अमेठी में यात्राएं की है मैंने। राहुल जी बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखते हैं निर्वाचन क्षेत्र का, यही सोनिया जी का, उसी परंपरा में गए। पोस्टर वगैरह कुछ देख लिए होंगे लोगों ने, कुछ लगे होंगे, मैंने तो नहीं देखे। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि हमारे नेता राहुल जी देश के नेता हैं।
तो सबको मालूम है कि हमारे कैप्टन हैं। इस बार 2027 का जो चुनाव है, अगर ये लोग उल्टा सीधा नहीं किए, मतलब जैसे बिहार में खेल हुआ, अगर वैसे यूपी में खेल नहीं हो, तो हम लोग मतलब जो जनता का मांग है, आपने देखा कि मेरठ का घटना आपने देखा, किस प्रकार से आप देखें, कुछ अभी एक दो दिन बैक मैं देख रहा था कि किस प्रकार से कुछ हमारे मुस्लिम भाई अपना वो जो वर्शिप होता है वो कर रहे थे और इमिडिएटली पुलिस आया, उठा करके ले जाकर जेल में डाल दिया। मतलब ये राजतंत्र है। तो इन सारे चीजों को मैं बता रहा हूं कि खत्म करने के लिए 2027 में और 2029 का आपने बात मेंशन किया, पक्का आप लिख लीजिए कि जनता जो यही भारत का जनता जो है इन्हें सबक सिखाएगा।
One wonders, will the rebranding of Rahul Gandhi alone save the Congress party? Over the last few elections, the party has seen diminishing returns in the state, increasingly losing out on its foothold, even as it has been trying to revive the state unit for more than a decade. Let's show you how the party has had a downward spiral over the last few elections. Let's start from 2012. Let's first talk about the 2012 UP polls. Congress contested on 355, 128. Their strike rate was 7.9%. Let's now shift our focus to what transpired in 2017. Uttar Pradesh polls contested on 114 seats. The number of seats, it keeps on reducing. And the seats that were won also. So contested 114, won just 7. Strike rate goes down to 6.1%. In 2022, Congress contested on 399, won 2. The strike rate 0.5%. So this has been the performance of the Congress party. And you see how the number of seats that they win shrinks with each election. But now, Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, their posters are doing the rounds, where Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav have been projected as captains for 2027 and 2029. Moving on.